Okay guys, these are now, hold on, let's get this into the view. Okay, when you look at these guys, the rods are equal here and equal here. So we installed our booms and everything. Now it's time to install the shocks. Now what I did here, first of all, I drilled 2 holes in the frame to install this rod. This is again 3/16 or 5mm rod with the, where you can screw the nuts and bolts and everything. And as you see here, it's let me see how many millimeter is that. It's around 15 millimeters, which is about 5.5 inches long rod, where I put just the washer and a nut on this side, just another washer and nut on this side, and that's it. Do not over tighten these, because when you over tighten these, the frame is gonna get squeezed and it's gonna get like crooked, and you can lose the stability of your helicopter. The next, as you remember, I showed you these shocks. Now let's put this aside and see what's going on with the shocks. These are the tail servo link supports, came with the booms. What I'm doing is that these are, I think, 4mm screws. These came out of T-Rex 450 blade holder screws with the lock nut here. These are the screws that hold the blade, that you install the blade into the blade holder. But to accommodate this, I had to make this hole a little wider with the small drill, so they fit in perfect, as you see. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a washer put this on like this, and oops, yep, and screw the lock nut here, and then I'm gonna tighten them. Do not over tighten these, you're gonna have to adjust these later on. Okay, so then let's get back to the helicopter. Alright, what I do is I put these in and make sure these, that it's not gonna be right. Yeah, this side. Make sure put this in, then you put another lock nut here. No, it's, you put another nut here. Hold on a second, I forgot my nut. Alright, when I get back, I'm gonna use, here. Alright, I'm gonna find 2 more nuts to fit in here. When I come back, I'm gonna install the shocks.